In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Sites versus Hostinger 2026. Which one is better? Let's break this down clearly so you can decide with confidence. First, Google Sites is a free website builder from Google that's intentionally simple and beginner-friendly. You don't need any coding skills, and the interface focuses on drag-and-drop blocks, quick text edits, and easy image placement. If you've never built a site before, this is a gentle on-ramp. It's great for straightforward projects like class pages, simple portfolios, event hubs, or small team hubs where speed and simplicity matter more than deep customization. Because it keeps choices limited, you won't get bogged down in technical settings, and publishing is quick and low maintenance. On the other side, Hostinger is a paid web hosting service that also includes a website builder. Think of it as an all-in-one setup where your site lives on hosting that you control, and you use the builder to design the pages. Because it's paid, you're getting more room to grow, along with tools and settings that cater to serious projects. If you want a site that looks highly polished, scales with your traffic, and supports more advanced features as your needs evolve, that's the kind of environment Hostinger is built for. Compared to Google Sites, Hostinger is generally more powerful and flexible, which makes it a strong fit for business or professional websites. You'll typically find more design control, more nuanced performance options, and the ability to expand features over time. This helps when you need to present a brand consistently, optimize for conversions, or manage a site that goes beyond a handful of basic pages. If you anticipate adding richer functionality, deeper customization, or advanced marketing tools as you grow, this path keeps those doors open. So how do you choose? It comes down to your goals, your budget, and how complex your site needs to be. If you want something free, fast, and fuss-free, and your content is mostly static with a clean, minimal look, Google Sites is a smart choice. It minimizes decision fatigue and lets you publish without technical hurdles. If, however, you're building a professional presence, care about fine-grained design choices, or expect your site to scale with more features over time, Hostinger's paid setup is likely the better long-term investment. Whichever you pick, start with a simple draft page and test how quickly you can achieve the look and structure you want. Keep your audience in mind, focus on clarity, and let your goals guide the platform you choose.